Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to review the tool Easy-Peasy.AI. Now with this tool you can create amazing video script, blog posts, social media captions, emails, product descriptions, Facebook ads, marketing copy, art and images, podcast show notes, video scripts, blog posts, social media campaigns, emails, product descriptions, Facebook ads, marketing copy, art and images, and so on. But before I can proceed with the detail, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the update. So continuing with the review of Easy-Peasy.AI. So once you sign in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, and you can see it has similar templates which you can use, like social media for blog generation, business, HR, marketing, resume tools, others. So if you just right now all is there, so you can see a dynamic template, blog flow, custom generator, paragraph writer, Instagram post caption, LinkedIn. So what I'll try and see is there is a social media, paragraph writer, Instagram. I don't want YouTube, video description, video script outline. So since we have been using for other, let's test it out. So example, you can see over here, I reached a crypto event token in Singapore and many VCs and entrepreneurs. Okay, so let's see how is AI going to replace jobs. Tone of the voice, you have only two options over here. Outputs, three language. You have English, Arabic, Bengali, Chinese, Hindi. Let's me select English only over here, and I click on generate. So it takes some time. In the meanwhile, we'll check out some other options. Now chat, what is this particular option over here? So what you can do is you can fetch public URLs over here and ask this particular chat questions about it, or you can upload your file basically and answer questions based on the content. So generated output is here. We move back over here. So here it may how AI is going to replace jobs. So introduction is asking you to greet the viewers and appraise them of the topic. Then the current state of AI industries that are at risks. You can see even the language over here, workforce, yeah, there are spelling mistakes over here, workflows, AB, highlight the benefits, limitations, risk, industries that are. So I could see a lot of spelling mistake. I have chosen English only. So till now, whatever bots I've used, I didn't find this as a problem. The English as such. It seems to have drawn out a decent content, but I wouldn't want to sit down and do a spell check again when I'm using an AI. So let's go back and check out something else. So business, resume, blog. Okay, let's try a blog. Instant blog post generator. You can see over here it's paid plans, paid plans, paid plans, paid plans, paid plans. So more than 50% of what I could see business, paid plans, marketing, you see paid plans. So more than 50. Of course there are some things, but things which I would probably try and use are mostly paid. So in the trial version too, you're not getting sufficient enough what do you say, things to play around with, like we did in case of the YouTube video. So in the blog section, let me try and check again over here. Headline, gender, blog post title, blog post outline. I don't want a title, I wanted something brief. SEO content, SEO title, meta descriptions. Let's see over here. Meta is delivered target keywords. So SEO title for how AI is going to change the world. And keywords, of course, AI, artificial intelligence, and I'll say generate. So while it generates, we move ahead to what we are doing over here. So you see the chat format which is there. You can upload you can upload your document and ask questions. You can fetch public URLs and ask questions regarding it. Then explore extensive library, additional features. Now I've not been trying this. Let's try. In fact, I think I tried one over here. I put in an Amazon this thing. It was not able to fetch the URL when I tried over here, the chat part of it. So I tried thing, it was not able to fetch it. Now let's see whether this is generated over here. Okay, so it says SEO title and meta descriptions. So title 1, title 2, title 3 is what I can see over here. So title, how AI changing the world, explore the future with artificial description, discover the potential of AI, explore the latest advancements. So I couldn't sort of figure out how you could use it, because title, as you know, there are restrictions to the characters. Now whether this full thing is a title, well, I don't know. And where is the meta description? So I don't find it quite that user friendly as such. You can see the previous time when I checked it out, we had spelling mistakes. Here I'm not able to get the exact thing what I want. Now the URL part, what we were testing, I think this is more than enough. And as I told you, most of the templates are paid plans only. I have done a recent review on cohesive.ai. So there the templates, I think you at least you can try out around 15 or templates before you get yourself exhausted out. So at least and there is a lot more clarity and thing on that. So if you have not seen that video, I request you to kindly see that video. And let's proceed with this. So chat option here, fetch public URL. So let's go to, let's say, a Flipkart. Okay, and let's say laptop. Okay, this particular laptop, this is book. So I'm just going to pick up this particular URL and fetch public URLs. It's not mentioned to how we pick up. Okay, fetch now you can ask questions about the above URLs. What is the RAM size? Cool. So it mentions here 8 GB. Okay, and what capacity is the storage? By 12 GB SSD. Okay. Does it have a HDD or SSD drive? Okay, cool. So well, here plus points for it over here. From this data, it could answer my queries over here. So this is something I would say good enough over here. Then after the what was that? Let's go to the dashboard back again. So similarly, we've seen the chat now. With the URL, you could ask questions and get the answers. Then after templates chat, we have something called as documents. So upgrade to paid plan to create documents. So even a trial is not possible here to know, what are the features, how we can use that. Then AI images. You can see there is a AI image generator, but you need to upgrade your plan even to generate a test image. AI transcription. So again, upgrade to played plan to transcribe more audios. I tried one, but you can see over here when I tried to go for AI transcription, it's asked me to upgrade. So brand voice, so I couldn't figure out trans easy. Let's see, brand, add your brand voice and train to speak like you. So basically, a voice cloning out over here. So let's say add new. Okay, this is what has happened. You put your voice name, brand text, and save. After that, what happens? I couldn't even figure it out over here. So yeah, I'd saved something, couldn't figure out what it is. So coming back to the home, so this is about, according to me, about this particular website called Easy-Peasy.AI. Artificial intelligence should be helping me make my job easier and not make it more complex to even understand and use it. Like I have done amongst all the tools what I have used, I find this a little bit complicated to use. I mean, in the sense it's not clearly mentioned, and most of the functionalities you need to upgrade to even test it out. So all in all, it's a so AI tool basically, just cashing in on the fad, I guess. So coming to the paid plans, I think upgrade plan. If you want to see over here, what are the pricing plans? Basic is $5 per month. Starter is $8. Unlimited is $20 per month. So if you need to upgrade, you can go ahead and upgrade over here. So if you refer a friend over here, which is you have some additional free usage, which is possible. That's under the affiliate program, I guess. So let me know your feedback in the comment section. What you found about this particular tool? Did you find it helpful? And please like this video, please share this video, and if you need to know more about any AI tool, please let me know in the comment section. And before winding off, a humble request: if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.